Let's start with the basic syntax. We use if-else statements to check for a condition. If condition is true, we execute the code. If it's false, we don't execute the code. So the basic syntax goes like this. Here we have an if statement and we give it a condition, and inside the if statement, here's the code we are going to execute if the condition is true. So we close the if tag and open an else tag here, and here is the code to execute if the condition is false. This is the basic if-else syntax. But what if we want to check for more conditions? So that's where else if comes in. We just add a if to the side of the else and we give it a condition. So let's try what we learned. Let's say if the score you get is higher than 50, we cancel log you passed. If it's less than 50, we cancel log you failed the test. So to do that, let's create a variable called score and let's assign it a value. Let's make it 50. Yeah, let's make it 50. And here, let's write the if tag. So our condition, we're going to check if the score is higher than 50. So let's check for it. Score is higher or equal to 50. Let's write 50. We're going to cancel log. You passed the test. If, else if, score is less than 50, we're going to cancel log. You failed the test. So here's our score is 50. It is equal to this condition. So this first if condition will be true and it will cancel log you passed the test. Let's try it. So as you can see, it says you passed the test. But what if we change the score to 49? Let's run it with this way. And as you can see, it says you failed the test. So now let's check if a number is positive or negative. So here I'm creating an if statement. If the number is higher than, greater than 0, will be cancel login positive. But else if number is less than 0, will be cancel login negative. And let's make an else here. If number isn't greater than or less than 0, it must be 0. So we make an else statement here saying number is 0. So let's run this. As you can see, it outputs number is 0. The code checks if the number is greater than 0. Our number is 0, so this is false. And it starts to check the second condition. If the number is less than 0, this one is false as well. So it checks the last one. This one is false as well. So it automatically executes the else code, which is number is 0. Let's make our number 10. And you can see it says positive. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about if statements, you might want to watch my JavaScript operators video